Hello everyone, we're here at night. We're going to do another test of the 3X system running SunnyPilot 0.9.4 in my Kia EV6. This is going to be an interchange at night. We're approaching the interchange of Interstate 25 and US 70 in Las Cruces here. It's in about 900 meters, half a mile. So we're going to disengage the highway drive assist, so I'm doing the accelerator pedal manually, and like I said in other videos, the 3X and SunnyPilot only does the steering by default with the SunnyPilot software here in Hyundai Kia vehicles. So it'll do the steering and I'll do the acceleration. And of course, you know, the car can do the acceleration too with a smart cruise control. But here is the ramp right here. It curves a little bit. Keep the hands on the wheel. Probably have to nudge it a little bit over here because that lane splits off. Let's see what it does. It's going to go too far to the right. It didn't correct itself. So yeah, that's a really hard one for the system to see even during the day. And at night, the limited visibility makes it a little more difficult. So yeah, you do have to nudge it to confirm which side you want it to go, because it was wanting to take that exit you saw over there. So we're back on this 3-lane section here, and we should be able to just put the signal on, nudge the wheel, and it should move over by itself. So yeah, I did a pretty okay job. Of course, that was a really difficult situation there with the limited visibility. Even during the day, it struggles at that intersection right there just because it's not well marked. They don't have like a dashed line on the side. So the system thinks you want to take that exit there to Del Rey. So it puts you a little too far to the right. So you still have to just hold the wheel and nudge it and just confirm you just want to go straight, and then it will take that option there. But like I said, you know, the system does require driver intervention sometimes, and then more so at night. And that's just because of the limited visibility at night, because of the headlights don't, you know, shine as far as the visibility you get during the day. So yeah. But otherwise it did okay on that curve there. You just have to, you know, slow down enough and it'll take the curve for you hands free. And then like I said, especially at night or during construction zones or any other times when the lane lines especially aren't that well marked, you just have to monitor a little more. Be prepared to nudge the wheel or guide it to where you want it to go. So yeah, that's going to be pretty much it for this test at night of SunnyPilot 0.9.4 and the 3X driver assistance system handling an interchange. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to get subscribed and check out my other videos. I'll have a lot more 3X driving tests as well as some EV6 videos. I have charging tests, range tests, and EV road trips. So be sure to get subscribed so you don't miss out on any of those videos. Again, thanks for watching, everyone.